Hey, if you're thinking about trading stocks and just now figuring out learning how to trade a stock market, well, this video will help you out. This is just the average guy, and everybody knows I'm really interested in trading stocks. And some things a lot of people ask me is, how would I get started and stuff like that. And I think this video will help point people in the right direction, help them get started quickly. So by no means am I am an expert or anything like that. I'm just now beginning my journey, and I haven't become a fully profitable trader yet, but definitely not gonna stop. Now I have been spending a lot of time and energy learning how to trade stocks. It takes a lot of time, but do not get scared of trying to learn how to trade stocks because it's just like a job. When you get those butterflies going and for your new job and you don't know what to do and you're clumsy all over the place, it's okay. I mean, that's how everything is. You just gotta learn it. So it's just like a job. It takes time. It's gonna take at least like 6 months to even years to learning how to trade stocks profitably, correctly, and safely. Now, the first thing I would recommend is signing up to Robinhood because they do not charge you any fees when you trade stocks with them. Any other broker out there is going to charge you a fee for buying and selling a stock. So, that fee can range from $3 all the way up to $10 a trade. Just depending on the broker. $10 is really extra high, but depending on how many shares and stuff too you're buying, it can be that much per trade. So signing up with Robinhood will give you that motivation to keep learning and stuff like that, because now you took in a step forward towards learning. You actually took an action. So that's why I recommend signing up with a broker first, and you got an account and you're good. Now, another great thing about Robinhood too is when you share it with people, you get a free stock. So then now you get that experience of having a stock and seeing how stocks act or move. But by no means Robinhood has a good graphing or a good chart for you to accurately predict the stocks, as you'll learn. Now, the second thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to YouTube it up. Now you go to YouTube, beginning learning how to trade stocks, learning how to read stocks graphs, learn how to buy stocks. Everything. You're gonna have to look up every little thing. Look up the moving averages, the 7 moving average, every little thing, and try to get as much detail about it. Some things you don't have to go too much detail about, but it's always good to know. You got nothing but time, and the more you learn exactly about that specific indicator, the more you can use that tool even better. So each indicator is a tool, and you'll find out that more as you begin YouTube. Now, the people I recommend searching on YouTube to find information like this is Ross Cameron. He's a really good dude. He's got a very high-end priced stock trading course, but he works very diligently and seems like he works really close with his members that sign up and stuff like that. He's got a private group and stuff, and they talk about their trades and what mistakes that they did wrong and stuff like that. So Ross is putting in some good work. He's kind of like a legend on YouTube when it comes to stock trading. Another good guy to watch is Ricky Gutierrez. He's a really good guy. He works very hard. He's more of a into swing trading nowadays, but if you go back to his older videos, you'll definitely catch some good day trading videos and stuff like that. So it depends on your style too. Ross is a day trader, and Ricky Gutierrez is moving more towards swing trading now. So you're gonna have to figure that out too if you're more of a need money now type guy, you're into day trading. If you like building money up slowly and more safely, then you're into swing trading. Another good YouTuber that I like to watch and learn from is my personal person that I like is Connor Pofanani, and he's a phenomenal day trader, and he really detail oriented. He has a really small he has a really small monthly fee for his stock trading class, and it has a whole list of videos that teaches you how to trade stocks. More of his pays, more of day trading wise, but he does work with swing trading for sure, and you can communicate with him through the Discord chat, and he's a great guy too. I talked to Ricky and Connor before, and they helped me out tremendously. Definitely made me more of a confident trader and point out some things that I was doing wrong. So definitely look them up and feel free to join their courses. Third thing that you want to do after you got your account with Robinhood, after you did some searching around on YouTube, you don't want to use any money yet. No real money yet. Even if you got those free stocks from your friends, don't even sell them yet. Don't use any money yet. Do paper trading. Okay, it's gonna save you a lot of headaches, a lot of F this stock trading stuff is gonna save you a lot of that, because you're gonna blow up accounts, left and right, not knowing what you're doing, and then you're gonna think you know what you're doing, but you haven't got a track record yet. You haven't got a track record where you at least been 4 months on the dot. You're seeing $100 a day, averaged out, and you're good. You're making way more positive days than negative days. You're understanding what you're doing. Then yes, switch to real money. I would say set yourself on a time limit, because at one point in time you're gonna become really confident that you are a good stock trader and you know what you're doing, and bam, you put real money in, and then boosh, the money's gone. You made a bad trade, you didn't pull out right, or you kept having to pull out because you got in on the wrong time. Now you don't have the money, to keep going, or to have the money in your, that specific broker account, the minimum account. With other brokers, there's a minimum account. With Robinhood, there's no minimum account. You just put money in there, but still, you don't want to lose all your money on Robinhood. That can happen too. So, good account to open to paper trade with is TD Ameritrade. They let you sign up for free, and you can use all their great, wonderful tools and videos for free, and they even let you paper trade for free, so you don't have to put any real money. They let you it's called a great program called All Demand, and it'll let you rewind back to previous days and play it in real motion, so you can actually act like you're buying and selling stocks at the same time, and it'll simulate for you what would have happened if you would have did it. So you got nothing but time. Use that instead of your real money to learn. That's where I messed up at, and I don't want anybody else to get confused and make the same mistake. So alright, I put some links down below to get you started. That's how I got started. I was just YouTube it up, and I was like, wow, there's a lot of material on YouTube, because people want to help people who are into this type of stuff and don't have any mentors around, because you're really going to need a mentor to really point out the stuff that you are doing wrong. It's just like your boss. He's got a specific way that he wants you to have that piece of work done, and you're not doing it right. He already knows the customer is not going to like it. It's the same way the stock market. You're not going to do it right, and someone can already point out that you're about to lose your money. So definitely get a course, sign up for a course, or go on Skillshare, do something and get some knowledge first before you just jump out there in the waters. Alright guys, it's Just the Average Guy. Like my video, subscribe for sure. I'll definitely put out more content.